Hey, greetings from Košice. We're on a trip. However, I would like to do a video for you. Today, I would like to talk about how to make lesson observations less painful, less stressful. I think that this video is useful for teacher trainers or teachers who would like to or who are going to observe classes of their peers, for example. So, the first thing is that it should be arranged. The teacher should know when you are coming for the teacher to get ready for the lesson, to organize the layout of the classroom and to be prepared, like to have. The second one is that you should get from a teacher a lesson plan to follow it and to know what was planned and what was not planned if you see it during the lesson. Also, they say that the teacher should be observed to know more than 3 areas. For example, teacher talking time, students talking time, and for example, the pace of the lesson, and no more than 3 areas. However, I've recently read this book, and the author says that there should be only one area. So, you, as a teacher trainer or a teacher, observing your peer, you observe only one area, because I know that a lot of observers make it so stressful. They observe everything, they write huge feedback, and then when a teacher receives the feedback, it's like, oh my god, everything is wrong, and it is super stressful. That is the reason why teachers hate to be observed, and they are terrified of observations. Next thing is that you should talk to your observer, or you as an observer, you should talk to the teacher before the lesson and after the lesson to give the feedback, to give the oral feedback and to give the written feedback. The feedback should be constructive. I'd like to talk about giving feedback for the observed lessons in my next videos. However, right now I would like to mention that all what you write should be all it should go with some quotes or something from the lesson. For example, if you observe a teacher talking time and you say like, you had a lot of teaching talking time. Okay, when give me examples. What was wrong? I would like to know how I should, like, where I did my mistake, and also you should, as an observer, give some information how it should be fixed or how it can be fixed, and what would you do. Like, if I were you, I would change this and this to have appropriate teaching talking time. If you've got anything to add, to tell others, to tell us all how to make lesson observations less stressful, you're welcome to leave a comment. I would like to know also your experience as a teacher. What would you like to have to be to have a desire to show your lesson and to get a meaningful feedback in order to get better. I wish you an amazing day and see you later, guys. Bye bye.